You'll hear a coordinator for a community garden project talking to a group of volunteers. First, you have some time to look at questions 11 to 15. Now listen carefully and answer questions 11 to 15.
Hello, everyone, and thanks for coming out today. My name is Mark Riley, and I'm the coordinator for the Green Thumbs Community Garden Project. As you know, we're developing a new garden space right here on the old parkland, and I'm here to give you an update on our progress and to explain how you can get involved. We're very excited about this initiative as it will provide a fantastic resource for local residents. First, a quick overview of what we've accomplished so far. The first step was securing the land, which, thanks to the council, was much quicker than we anticipated. Following that, our team of volunteers spent the last 3 months clearing the site. This was a massive job, and we even found some interesting historical items, but we got it done. The next major hurdle was installing the fencing, which was completed just last week, so now the area is fully enclosed and secure. Now for the next phase. We're currently seeking volunteers for 2 key roles. We need people to help with building the raised garden beds. This is a great opportunity if you enjoy carpentry or general construction work. We'll provide all the tools and materials. And secondly, we're looking for volunteers to assist with soil preparation and planting. This is a great role for anyone with an interest in horticulture, whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned gardener. We'll be planting a variety of vegetables and herbs, and we're also planting a small orchard with some fruit trees.
You now have some time to look at questions 17 to 20. Now listen and answer questions 17 to 20.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the new western section of Hinchingbrook Park. My name is Ian, and I'll be your guide today. As you can see from the map, you've all entered through the west gate. We're just at the beginning of the main path that leads into the park. The first thing you'll notice is the large lake to your right, which is a beautiful feature of the park. If you follow the path that curves around the lake, the first stop on our tour is the Bird Hide. This is a small shelter where you can observe the local wildlife and birds. It's located right on the edge of the lake. Continuing on the path, you'll come to a circular path that goes around a central fountain. This is a great spot to sit and relax. If you take the path directly to the left from the fountain, you'll find our new dog walking area. We've set this up as a safe and closed space for dogs to run freely. Now, if you go back to the central fountain and take the path heading to the right, you'll come to the newly planted flower garden. This garden is a blaze of color and a popular spot for photography. You'll find it just off the main path close to the refreshment stand. And finally, for those of you who enjoy a quiet walk in nature, we've opened up a new wooded area in the very top right corner of this section of the park. It's a peaceful spot with winding trails. We believe these new additions will make the park even more enjoyable for everyone. Thank you.